How to fix Twitter verification code not received problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can fix a verification code not received problem in your Twitter account while creating your account. So guys, for that you have to go to your settings, and here you have to do two settings in your phone. Go to your settings and then go to installed apps and then search for message, and here click on it and then go to permission, and then you have to allow SMS, storage, telephone. These three permissions have to be allowed in your phone, and then go back and search for Twitter app, and then here go to app permission and then allow all this permission, and then go back and open your Twitter app and then click on the recent verification code, and then you will receive verification code. So guys, this is how you can fix the problem. Thanks for watching.